So I'm going to talk to you guys real quick about painting your pan. A lot of you guys are trying to spray it, and maybe you're going to find that it's really hard to do. And you know, you should probably rust proof it first with something I'll show you real quick. Alright, so you can use something like this, Adcoat rust converter. Some guys will say use POR 15. I think POR 15 is just kind of an overpriced version of the same thing. So you can use POR 15 on your pan or whatever, but a lot of times you might have trouble applying it because you don't have a way to lift your car up. I want to show you how you can do that on the ground real quick, because finish is probably secondary on your pan. So the way that you can do your pan on the ground, I just happen to have the car up on a lift and it doesn't really help much, but if you just needed to do it on the paint your pan on the ground, you just want to stop it from rusting, you could coat it once with some POR 15, or you could use some just regular oil base, or you could use this stuff, which I'm using right now. Is a water-based alkali emulsion, which is actually has a rust inhibitor in it, but this is not really a rust proof. This pan isn't that badly rusted at all, so I'm just giving it a quick coat, and the finish can come out pretty good for when you're doing this with a roller. It's really hard for me to do this because I don't want to push up really hard on the roller and make it drip, but all you do is just give it a little roll coat, and look like a kid rolling this thing because this car is a little bit too high. But you can just go through here and give it a nice little roll coat. It'll leave a little bit of a texture on there, and then when it dries it looks more like what's over here, so which isn't too bad. And then it protects your pan from rust, so that you at least get that part, somewhat protected. It depends on how much you're going to drive it. Other than that, you can go and have it sandblasted and powder coated, which will cost you a ton of money, and you'll probably not really benefit from that in your whole lifetime. So something like this might be the best solution for you to save some money. All right, so anyway, I'll talk to you in the next video.